Hey everybody, welcome back to Fun with Hearts. Today we will be making a quick and easy recipe of mango ice cream. So if you're ready, let's get started. Here we have our ingredients. We need some whipped cream, a fresh mango, condensed milk, yellow food coloring, some mango flavoring, some mango pulp, you will also be needing some measuring cups to help us measure our ingredients accurately, and a bowl. So first of all, we're going to start off by pouring our whipped cream into a bowl, and then we're going to get ready to whip our cream. Using an electric whisk, we're going to whip our cream so that it will become nice and creamy. Now we're going to measure 1 cup of condensed milk. Now we're going to get back to our whipped cream. And we're going to continue whipping the cream. Now, as you can see, our whipped cream is nice and soft. Now we're going to add in our 1 cup of condensed milk to our fully whipped cream. Now we're just going to get the cream off our electric whisk so that we don't waste any. Now we're going to mix our condensed milk and whipped cream together well. Make sure your mixture is now completely fluffy, and then we can move on to the next step. Now that our mixture is completely whipped and it's nice and soft and fluffy, we are now ready to move on to the next step. We are now going to be measuring 125 ml of mango pulp. We need to add our 125 ml of mango pulp to our whipped cream and condensed milk mixture that we made earlier. Now we need to mix it well until all the ingredients are completely mixed together. Now that our mixture is mixed well together, we are going to move on to the next step. Now we need to add in a few drops of mango flavouring. You can add as many drops as you want according to your taste. Now we're going to be measuring 1/4 cup of milk. To the milk we are going to be adding in a few drops of yellow food colouring. Now we're going to mix our milk with the food colouring to make the milk be completely yellow. Once you have done that, you're going to add the milk and food colouring to the rest of our mixture. Mix the pieces of mango and the mixture together. Now you're going to find a suitable sized container and pour in the mixture. Put on the lid and go to the freezer. You're going to put your ice cream in the freezer overnight until it's ready. Now our ice cream has come out of the freezer. It's been overnight and it is ready to eat. Use a scoop and scoop out your yummy ice cream. Here is our yummy ice cream. As you can see, it turned out really well. I hope yours turned out really well too. If it did, please let me know in the comments section below. Enjoy your ice cream. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you. Bye.
يا حبيب سلام عليك صلوات